Okay, what swell there is easterly today, so the back is calm. So just paddle up to where the overflow is and just feel for it. Don't go it, just feel it. Wave behind. Good. Get used to the sound. You can't get hurt here. No, you don't have to go through. It's just a matter of acclimatising to it, so to speak. Go forward to the edge and feel the sound of the bigger waves. Get used to it. Learn to pick them. It's not going to suck you out, it's going to push you back. The only way you'll get through there is if you paddle through. Hey, you're right, plenty of room. As you can see, if you pick your swell, you can just paddle through flat. But you've got to be right with your pick. You've got to read the water correctly. It'll push you forward and then bring you back. Now when it's sucking, you've got about a metre drop there. Not going anywhere, don't worry about it. You'll know when a big wave's coming behind you because it's coming from the east and it enters this side first. So you've got a few seconds before it'll get around, deflect around and come back through behind you. It's the noise and what have you that puts people off. Very calm at the moment. Right now, yes, but you don't want to misjudge it, that's all. Coming back this way, yeah, okay, with the water is coming from so many different directions, it just grabs the boat, but yeah, well, yeah, but it's easier to exit out through here. When you exit out through here, if you want to, you've got basically a straight run. Straight, bow draw, down the drop and away. You paddle straight. You paddle straight for that rock, that outer rock there that comes in on the incline. You paddle straight through to that, and as your nose gets right on it, you do a bow draw, a right hand bow draw. That'll pull you straight down the drop, and you're off through the next swell. It's a choice. If in doubt, stay out. If in doubt, then stay out.